Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a small Tuesday morning haul. I watched Erica, who is ScrapDiva29 in YouTube. Hi Erica. And I saw her, she got the Sizzix strawberry, and so I was on the hunt. And so I went to my Tuesday morning today, and they rehauled, they changed the setup. And even if they change the setup, it's still the old stuff. So I didn't buy any paper, but fortunately I found the Sizzix framelits. So, and together with all that stuff, I found some more new goodies that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's start with the framelits. This is what it looks like. It's like a card. It has 5 dies on the inside. So if you have a chance to go to your local Tuesday morning, this is what it looks like. So it even cuts the seeds for you. And then these are different layers. 2 layers of that. And I ordered a Memory Decks die from AliExpress. And I don't know when that's going to get here because my January orders are not even here yet. So I don't know when that's going to happen, but I want to start making some memory decks for swaps. So I was thinking that I just did the border memory decks where it cuts right here and then does the memory decks opening. So I can use this as a memory decks and decorate it. I thought that would be so cute. And look at those. So those are the parts. And I'm very excited to start using the strawberries. Super cute. I'm very excited about this. Next one, for the Sizzix, I got this Sizzix Thinlits right there, and this one has 2 dies, which is super awesome. I'm very happy to find this, and this is what it looks like right there. 2 die options, and then you can make these dies. Wouldn't that be cute? Anyway, I thought that would be a cute one for $6.99. Not bad, because I saw this a Tuesday morning for $19.99. The last die I got was the Framelits leaf die. And this one would be great for some flowers because I already have some existing Sizzix flower dies. And so this would totally match because I don't have a die that's this big. I thought that would be a wonderful thing to put in my stash. Next, I got this for $1.49. It's wood veneer. And you can color this. I saw Tony from Craft Purge in YouTube, and she used Nuvo drops. So I'm going to try to do Nuvo drops on these. I thought we'll see how it goes because it was, a way to customize anything using Nuvo drops, and it dries quickly. Another one that I got is some puffy stickers for Amy Tangerine. And I thought this boba was super cute. I love it. And then this one, guys, is a stamp called Jars of Love stamp. And this is from Bo Bunny. And the price is $2.99. But I thought this would make such cute embellishments. You know me and embellishments. So I was thinking of stamping this and fussy cutting them. Stamping them on different papers and fussy cutting them. I think that will be super cute. Especially this one, which is a unique shape for a mason jar. So I thought that would be so cute. That will be another video. We'll see how that goes. And then I bought these. I have One Fine Day in my stash. I saw these. So these are, I got the chipboard, which I already have in my stash, and that's double-sided. And then the marquee stickers. This one, which is a magnetic clip, the stamps, and the embellishments. So I'm planning on using One Fine Day for my April No Paper Left Behind. That's a challenge that Daniela Hayes has started. And so what I'm going to do is everything that I create for April, for my No Paper Left Behind challenge, will be part of a giveaway, and then I'm going to include all these as part of the giveaway. So I thought that would be super stinking cute to give away, and that would be so adorable. If I would get this in a giveaway together with other embellishments, I would be super happy. Anyways, guys, that's it for me today. I hope you like this video. Take care. Have a wonderful crafty day. This is Christian signing off. Bye.